Welcome to the Cosen Saws Technical Training Program, a collection of continued education videos and resources designed to help better inform you on how to properly maintain, repair, and keep your saw running at top efficiency. In this video, we will be discussing how to successfully perform a blade change on a Cosen horizontal bandsaw. Some models will differ slightly due to design, but the basics are the same. In preparing to remove your saw's old blade, you will need to loosen, remove, and/or adjust several items. Begin by removing any blade guards that may be in the way. Once all guards are removed, lower your saw's chip brush and then loosen the blade guides on each of the guide arms. Once these items have been adjusted, make sure that the saw's hydraulics are engaged, if not done so already. After ensuring that the hydraulics are engaged, loosen pressure on the tension cylinder. This can be done by locating the tension gauge on the side of the saw bow. You should see the blade wheel next to the gauge retract, loosening the blade. Before removing the blade, please ensure your safety by wearing work gloves and safety eyewear. Even older, more worn blades are still sharp and can cause serious injury. Proceed by removing the blade from the blade guides and rollers. Doing this first will make removing the blade easier. Once the blade is free from the guide arms, remove the blade from the wheels and lift it over the saw bow, removing it completely from the machine. Be sure to properly fold the blade and set aside to ensure your safety and that of those around you. When removing the new blade from its box, Cosen recommends leaving the plastic protective sleeve over the teeth. This ensures your safety and also helps in a smoother blade install. Uncoil the blade and loop it over the saw's quick approach bar and guide arms. You will see the blade guard along the back of the saw bow. Try and position the blade within this guard. Once you have positioned the blade within the guard, move to place the blade around the wheels. Now is a good time to make sure the blade's teeth are facing the correct way. Cosen provides stickers on the saw's guide arms, which help indicate the right direction of the teeth. Once you confirm the teeth are in the right direction, you are ready to thread the new blade between the blade guides and bearing. While twisting the blade, line it up and into the bearings and guides. Once both are in, make sure the blade is pushed all the way up to the upper carbide guide block. Tighten the guide bolts to help securely hold the blade in place. On the drive wheel side, which is the same side as the blade motor, locate the blade keeper. With the blade against the phalange of the wheel, flip the keeper onto the blade. This will help hold the blade in place. Switch now to the opposing wheel, the idle wheel. While holding the blade to the flange, use the pressure gauge to gently apply slight pressure to the tension cylinder. Make sure that blade is aligned appropriately along the wheel and in the blade guides before applying full blade tension. Once everything is set and full pressure is applied, reset the blade brush and blade keeper to their original positions before running the blade. Be sure not to forget the plastic sleeve still on the blade. You can easily remove the sleeve by running the blade at a safe, slow speed, about 50 fpm, and peel the sleeve off as the blade rotates. Be sure to keep your work gloves on and your hands a safe distance away from the blade as you peel. The final step should be running the blade for just a few minutes so that it can set itself into the proper tracking. Once done, you have successfully changed the blade on a Cosen horizontal bandsaw and are ready to resume cutting. Always remember, if you need further assistance with repairs and/or parts, Cosen's parts and service departments are ready to assist you with over-the-phone troubleshooting and orders.